There is a reason our hair has survived everything. Fire, water, wind, decades of change, and it is still here, still catching the light, still telling the truth about who we are. Sis, if you are watching this with your hand halfway to your edges, or your fingers running through your silver crown, I see you. I see the woman who has earned every strand of grey hair on her head and still wants it to look like a crown, not a cover-up. So let's talk about something nobody explains to us properly. Why do some haircuts on black women over 50 look absolutely regal, and others, through no fault of the woman wearing them, quietly slide into what we lovingly call the granny cut? It is not about your age. It is not about how much grey you have. It is about what the eye sees first, before it even registers your beautiful skin or your silver hair. Today, I am walking you through 5 timeless haircuts that reveal the real secret, the visual language that separates aging gracefully while black from looking like you gave up. And stick with me to the end, because I am giving you 3 exact phrases to say to your stylist that will change every conversation you have in that chair from now on. Let's get into it. 1. The architectural bob. Why shape matters more than anything else. If there is one haircut that proves this entire point, it is the architectural bob. Picture 2 elegant black women, both graced with stunning silver hair, both wearing what looks like nearly the same bob, and yet one of them walks into a room and commands it, while the other, bless her heart, reads a little older than she is. Why? Because before the eye notices your colour, before it notices your length, before it even takes in those gorgeous cheekbones melanin gives us for free, it notices shape. Our brains read silhouette in a fraction of a second. A soft, rounded haircut wraps the face in one continuous circle. And here's the part nobody tells you. That circle echoes the natural softening that happens to all of us as we mature. Instead of lifting you, it settles on you. That is why the classic rounded helmet style can age even a woman with the most luminous silver hair on the planet. Now picture a haircut with cleaner lines, a little structure, a little breathing room around the face. Suddenly your jawline has definition, your neck reads longer, your cheekbones, which melanin-rich skin already carries with such beauty in changing light, become the star of the show. Nothing about your face changed, only the frame around it did. And that's the biggest misconception we carry about grey hair. Grey hair is not what ages a haircut, an outdated shape does. Silver hair on a black woman, when it catches light against a well-structured silhouette, is some of the most striking styling in the world. Shape is always where a timeless haircut starts. 2. The soft textured shag. Why movement matters more. If shape teaches us the first lesson, movement teaches us the second, and it might be the one we feel the most. Have you noticed how some haircuts move like they have a life of their own, while others sit frozen no matter what you do? That's not a small detail. That's one of the fastest ways your eye decides whether a look feels alive or dated. Hair that moves reads as vibrant. Hair that does not, no matter how precisely it was cut, can start to feel stiff, and stiff is the first cousin of granny. That's often what happens when every strand sits exactly where it was sprayed that morning and never again. Timeless style was never about perfection. It was about being dynamic. A turn of the head, a breeze on the porch, running your fingers through it after church. Those small shifts are what make a haircut feel natural, unbothered, effortless, the way we wear everything else in our lives. The soft textured shag builds this in on purpose. Instead of one solid outline, it uses gentle layering to create movement right where you need it, around the cheekbones, around the jaw, along the neckline. Those soft shifts stop the eye from parking in one spot and instead create lightness around the whole face. And here's something beautiful for us specifically. Silver and grey hair on melanin-rich skin catches light differently than it does on lighter hair and skin. As it moves, those natural variations in tone, the platinum, the smoky grey, the soft white, become far more visible, adding richness and depth with no colour appointment required. Keep the movement soft, not fluffy, not oversprayed, just responsive, the way your hair should always be, because Timeless never looks frozen, it looks alive. 3. The Modern Pixie Bob, sometimes called the Bixie, why weight matters. This cut teaches a lesson most women never get told. It's not how much hair you have, it's where the weight of that hair actually sits. Every haircut carries weight somewhere, and where that weight lands completely changes how your face reads to the world. Picture two women with the same length. One has all her fullness sitting low around the jaw. The other has her softness and volume lifted just slightly around the cheekbones and crown. Same length, completely different story. When weight sits low, the eye follows it downward, and the whole look can feel heavier on gorgeous, healthy hair. But lift that weight just a little, and the eye travels up again. Your face reads brighter, more open, more balanced. This is exactly why the Bixie has become such a favourite among black women embracing their 50s and beyond. It keeps the back neat and gently tapered, clearing unnecessary weight off the neck, while leaving a touch more length up front to frame the face. Nothing severe, just beautifully balanced. And here's what I love most for us. Our natural grey and silver hair often carries more texture and body than pigmented hair does. Instead of fighting that texture flat, the Bixie works with it, using it to build soft, natural lift without a single heavy product. Volume was never about having more hair, it's about placing the hair you have exactly where it flatters you. That's the quiet genius behind every Timeless cut. Not more, just placed with intention. If something in this is landing for you, this is your gentle nudge to like this video and subscribe to Ebony Chic Life. Not because I need you to, because if this is helping you see yourself differently, there is a whole community of women right here doing the same thing, and I would love to have you in it. Now, let's keep going, because we still have 2 more secrets, and they might be the most important ones. 4. The Soft Fringe Refresh, why light matters. You do not always need an entirely new haircut to look modern. Sometimes one well-placed detail changes how your whole face is seen. A soft fringe is exactly that detail. I am not talking about the heavy, blunt, straight-across bang from decades past. I am talking about a light, airy curtain fringe that opens gently around the face. Why does this work so beautifully? Because light is one of the very first things our eyes respond to, and for melanin-rich skin especially, the way light plays across the face matters enormously. When hair falls in one heavy block across the forehead, it absorbs light and can make the upper face feel heavy and shadowed. A soft fringe does the opposite. It breaks that solid shape apart, letting small pockets of light land around the eyes and cheekbones. Suddenly, your eyes look brighter, your whole face feels more open, and if you have embraced your natural grey or silver hair, this effect becomes even more stunning. Our silver hair carries subtle variations of white, platinum, and soft grey, and a soft fringe lets every one of those tones catch the light as you move through your day, creating dimension no salon color could replicate. The secret is keeping it soft. A curtain fringe starts a touch shorter through the center, then eases longer as it blends into the rest of your cut. It frames your face, it does not cover it. Avoid thick, heavy bangs that start too far back on the head. They build a curtain that blocks light and can shrink your whole face. Think of your fringe as a picture frame instead. It should never hide the art. It should draw the eye straight to it. A beautifully designed soft fringe doesn't just change your haircut, it changes where people look first. And for a woman who has spent decades being looked past instead of looked at, that matters more than any of us like to admit out loud. 5. The asymmetrical graduated bob, why direction matters. Our final secret is direction. Every haircut draws invisible lines, and your eyes follow them whether you realize it or not. Some lines pull the eye downward, making a look feel heavier and more static. Others lift the eye upward, creating energy, lift, softness. That's exactly why the asymmetrical graduated bob feels so effortlessly modern. At first glance, it reads like a classic bob. Look closer, and one side sits just slightly longer. The back is softly graduated. The front pieces gently frame the face. Those small differences completely redirect the eye. Instead of stopping flat at the jawline, your gaze naturally lifts toward the cheekbones and eyes, the very features melanin-rich skin was built to showcase in any kind of light. The effect is subtle but remarkably flattering. This cut doesn't need drama or trend chasing to work. The asymmetry is gentle enough to feel timeless rather than trendy, which is exactly the point. It also works beautifully with natural gray or silver hair, since the varying lengths reveal those silver tones as they move, adding depth with zero extra color needed. The key, as always, is restraint. Too much asymmetry can feel harsh. Just a slight difference in length creates enough motion to keep the whole look fresh and elegant. That's the quiet skill behind every timeless cut. It never fights your features. It simply guides the eye toward the ones you already have in abundance. And now, as promised, 3 simple things to say to your stylist. You now understand what actually makes a haircut timeless. It was never about copying a celebrity. It was never about cutting it all off out of surrender. And it was certainly never about hiding your gray hair like it's something to apologize for. It's about understanding what the eye responds to and asking for it directly. Before your next appointment, try these 3 phrases. First, say, "I would like a haircut with movement and soft structure rather than a rounded shape." That single sentence tells your stylist immediately that you want a modern silhouette, not the classic helmet effect we've all worn at some point and outgrown. Second, ask, "Can we remove weight from the inside rather than adding lots of visible layers?" This is the real secret behind cuts that feel light and effortless while still looking full and healthy, especially on textured or naturally gray hair. And finally, ask, "Will this haircut still work with my natural texture when I style it myself?" Because a beautiful cut should not only look stunning when your stylist blows it out in the chair, it should still look like you, still look elegant when you wash it, air dry it, and live your actual life in it. Those 3 questions will not just get you a better haircut, they'll get you a better conversation with the person holding the scissors. And sis, that changes everything. Here's what I want you to carry with you from today. Gray hair is not what makes a haircut look dated. Age is not what makes a haircut look dated. An outdated design does. Once you start noticing shape, movement, where the weight sits, how the light lands on your skin and your hair, and where the lines guide the eye, you'll never choose a haircut the same careless way again. You'll start asking a much better question. Not what's trending, but what's truly beautiful on me. That's the whole spirit of Ebony Chic Life. Not chasing youth, refining elegance. Not disappearing gracefully, glowing on purpose. So, tell me, which of these 5 secrets changed the way you're seeing your own hair right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I love hearing which gem landed for you. If this gave you something worth keeping, like this video and subscribe to Ebony Chic Life so we can keep having these conversations, one gem at a time. Until next time, stand tall, wear your crown with intention, and remember, elegance was never about age. It was always about you.